Here we've got a P-39. Now Australia used these.
What for?
Fighting the Japanese.
Yes.
The Americans used it to fight the Germans and the Japanese as well in the Pacific.
P-39, what does that relate to? What model is it called?
Airacobra. The Airacobra. So the P stands for pursuit.
Pursuit.
So when it was the Army Air Corps, it wasn't the Air Force yet. P stood for pursuit. So you had the P-51 Mustang, the P-47 Thunderbolt, and then when they went to the Air Force, it turned into F for fighter.
Okay.
So the P-51 became the F-51.
Okay.
Yep, or the F-6K. Yeah, so they had a bit of a designation change, but this one.
So that's for like plane-on-plane combat, right? Dogfighting.
Yeah. As you can see by the box art here, it's obviously just shot down a BF-109G, so that would be over Europe. And you're getting 3 schemes in this box. You're getting the ever-lovely United States Army Air Corps.
America, heck yeah!
Hell yeah! And you're getting the French baguette oui.
Show me your fromage.
And you're getting the Soviets. We don't talk about those. No fun.
Okay.
No, they stole them. They stole them from America.
Did they?
Yeah.
Good on them.
Actually,
well,
literally.
now they're mates again, I hear. Just yesterday or the day before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What the hell
Everybody's mates.
What's going on?
Well, mates.
We're not all mates.
I brokered a deal.
Yeah, I got a deal, man. Got to get the deal. So
anyway,
here
enough political mayhem.
Yeah, so ARMA HOBBY is newer on the market. I'm going to try and open
Where are they from?
Czech Republic, I think.
Your neck of the woods.
Yeah, around that area. Maybe even Poland.
Even closer to home.
Yeah, Poland. There you go.
Polski.
They're from Warsaw, Poland. So around
that
area.
Stuff coming out of Eastern Bloc Europe, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
A lot of stuff. They love their modelling.
Just got to figure out how to open this thing. So you're getting a soft top box and then a hard box in the middle.
Got to keep it protected.
Got to keep it protected. That's right.
Got to keep it protected, man.
Yeah, here. Bit of detail parts. I haven't looked in the box of this yet.
Go into overhead?
Yeah, go into overhead.
Go into overhead and see what's up.
So
what's up?
Here you've got the wing parts. Edward came out with one of these, but I think this is probably, it is definitely a newer mold, newer model, newer decals, newer everything. So you can definitely jump into this.
Cardiograph?
I'm not sure. Potentially. No, by them.
That's the only ones that I know.
Yeah, their decals are by ARMA HOBBY.
ARMA.
So yes, you got your clear parts in here. There's a few less parts than what you'd get in the Edward one, but it's still got that premium detail, especially around the wheels.
Weighted wheels?
Yes.
I love flat spots on my wheels. My plain wheels got to have flat spots.
Couple of skids.
And I really like mess people's heads because I don't put them at the bottom.
No. Put them at the top.
Yeah, put them at the top.
Yeah.
People go, you've done it wrong. I said, no, it's moving.
Yeah. It's rolled down the this landing strip. And we've also got metal weights in here. So it comes with your weight because this is a tricycle landing gear.
Yep.
So that means that at the front, the nose wheel has a nose wheel and then 2 rear wheels. Sits up like a tricycle. So very, very nice. No tail dragger. This also had a very unique feature.
What's that better for?
Visibility.
Yeah, when you're landing.
When you're taxiing, landing, everything. You won't run into anything. So yeah, it's just kind of like a newer thing. And then also, if you have a look here, you can see that the exhaust stacks are positioned behind the cockpit. This aircraft's engine was positioned behind the pilot, and it had a huge drive shaft that went underneath the pilot's ass, up through the compartment at the front where the wheel bays and the guns were, and it had a gearbox.
So mid-mount plane.
Mid-mount engine for this
cool
aircraft. Pretty interesting, right? I mean, you can probably see it better on the box.
I can see where
here.
the exhaust stack is.
Yeah, exhaust behind the pilot there.
Mid-mount, so it's a supercar of planes.
There you go, that's right. It's the Lamborghini.
There you go.
The Ferrari.
I love it.
Big shark's mouth on there. So yeah, that's your plastic.
I love the shark's mouth.
You've got a resin piece here, I believe. It's some little exhaust features by the looks of it. You're getting 4.
I was way wrong. I thought it was an ejector seat.
Ejection seat? No. So here you can see there the weight, 3 balls for weight. I only need 2, but they give you 3 or whatever. I'm used to 2 balls.
You would be.
Yeah, that's right. Whoa! Who cares about cartograph when it's this big? Look at that ARMA HOBBY. Beautiful blue.
Why is it blue? It's not really
just
blue.
a type of paper. The Australian decals that we get done here are very similar.
Yep.
They're on a blue film.
Yep.
And they're very, very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah. There you go.
Are you going to build one of these?
I attempted to build the Edward one, but I didn't have much luck.
What do you mean you failed?
I just didn't get through it.
Yeah.
You're getting masks here.
Canopy masks?
Yeah, canopy masks. Beautiful, beautiful canopy masks, making it a hell of a lot easier because this did have quite a few windows.
Glass panes?
Yeah, glass panes and structural points for the glass.
For the grass. Glass.
Here you go. You've got your paint call-outs down here. So it gives you all the colors.
What brands are they this thing?
All of them. Hakata, AK, Humbrol, Ammo, Mission Models, Vallejo, Tamiya.
Yep.
That's it.
Oh, good, because you've really been taken up a lot with Vallejo lately. I like it.
No, I have not. They are missing Green Stuff World from this list.
Are they? You'll have to send them an email. An angry email.
An angry email. Well, I don't care about Vallejo. Anyway, here we go.
You'd airbrush it anyway.
That's can't use model color if I'm using an airbrush. Yeah. There you have the shaft. See that shaft there?
Yep.
It's beautiful. Beautiful shaft. Going through the wheelbase.
A bit of vibration.
Yeah, just a little bit. That was a treat with some of the pilots.
There you go.
And then you've got the wings going together, all the sub-assemblies going together. You've got your weighted wheels.
Yep. 2
parts there for each. Then you get in. You've got
How many
decals.
props does it have? Just the one style prop?
These later had a 4-style prop on the Airacobra, but it was a different designation. They redesigned most of the aircraft.
Okay.
It was still same principle. Sorry.
Is that a gun coming out the front of the prop, or is that
37mm cannon? What was it?
That's pretty cool. I don't ask me.
It had a really large cannon in the nose with something like 20 rounds. Just had 20 small rounds, and then it had some small machine guns in the nose as well. These
looking
here.
at the detail here. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a
How
big
cool is
cannon.
that?
And then you've also got the guns here as well, just aft of the nose propeller. You've also got them on the wings.
And they're timed up to the ignition, right? So you don't shoot the prop.
These ones would be, but through the nose, it wouldn't have to. Yeah, but these ones definitely. Yeah,
and
that
it comes
was
with
developed.
some bombs.
Bombs and a drop tank.
These look like, what's a drop tank?
Holds fuel.
And then you drop it.
Fly further. Drop them when you go into dogfight.
Yep.
Into battle. So yeah.
I love it.
Beautiful. And then here's your other schemes. You got the French scheme here.
No baguettes.
No baguettes. There you go. It was in
tank.
Algeria.
Algeria.
And then this one was
the Rusky one.
Yeah, Guards Fighter Regiment.
Doesn't have the drop tank.
Gorky.
These guys showed the drop tank. The Ruskies didn't use them.
Obviously not. No, they probably did. They loved this aircraft.
Did they?
A lot of Air Forces didn't. They didn't really gel well with the P-39, but it really went hard for them. They loved this aircraft, and they flew it with a lot of success.
Yeah.
Whereas America and Australia.
How many would they have had in their fleet?
A couple thousand, probably.
Wow.
I'd say.
Big numbers, hey?
Called Lend-Lease program. Look it up. Very, it's a huge historic fact. Mm-hmm. At the end of the war, they were set to give everything that they were given back.
Yep.
And they didn't.
There you go.
They kept it for themselves.
Engine in the middle. That is right. That is exactly right. One question: why is it still underground? Because that's the only place that they could fit us.
That's right.
Then, back in 1947, shops weren't above. That would have been handy in a bomb attack.
I suppose.
No.
I mean,
wasn't really handy for flooding.
Cold War.
Had a big flood here in 72, 77. There were still watermarks back in 2011 up on the ceiling around where the water got to.
Oh, really? Where'd you scrub them off?
Yeah.
Yep.
Got the mop. Toothbrush. Got Nan up there on the ladder.
Yep.
Clean it, Nan.
Clean it, Nan. $1 an hour.
That's right.
$1 an hour.